there. I'm talking with Michael of SafeBox Systems here at the Northern Ontario Mining Showcase at CIM 2023. And the MO of SafeBox Systems, from what I gather, is to increase workplace safety and make things run smoothly, which is very necessary in these big operations. So can you tell me how SafeBox Systems help facilitate that?
Absolutely. The SafeBox was invented by Ionic Mechatronics, and it encompasses 20 years of safety engineering all in one box. The SafeBox allows our customers to lock out complex systems in as little as 10 seconds.
Oh. Can you show us how that works?
Absolutely.
Amazing.
It's as easy as pressing our isolate button, confirming that we want the isolation, and then we give it a second confirmation by holding the button in for 3 seconds.
Easy as that. Even I could do that. So what kind of businesses currently use your technology?
SafeBox is very popular in heavy industry, in mining, and it's popular worldwide from Sudbury to South America. We've got installations going in right now.
He was telling me that they're getting a new cold call every day from across the globe. So maybe you'll be one of the next cold calls. Thanks so much for talking to us.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.